Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to save your game and load your progress in Hitman Blood Money Reprisal. First of all, launch open the game and get to your journey, and whenever you want to save the game, just go to the left hand corner and tap on this pause button. Once you do that, in the expanded menu click on Save Game. Click on this new save button on the left and tap on save. Now in the pop-up, click continue and your game will be saved. Now whenever you want to load the game, just tap on the load game option and select your saved file, and you'll be able to continue the game where you left off and saved previously. Just select your load and click on the load button at the bottom right and click continue. So there you have it. That is how you can easily save and load a game in Hitman Blood Money Reprisal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.